So at Anacapa Dental, one of the things that we wanted to implement as part of the whole setup was an in-house dental laboratory. There are many commercial labs around, and I had used commercial labs for many years. However, we never got exactly what we wanted. We're in the business of making people happy, improving people's confidence, and sometimes patients come in with a specific smile in mind. With our in-house lab technicians, we can have a one-on-one meeting with the lab technician so that the patient gets exactly what they want. We often have team conferences with the patient. We customize shades, we customize tooth setups. So you're not going to get teeth which look artificial. You're going to get teeth which are bright, which look amazing, but they look very natural. One of the dentist's best team members is the laboratory technician, because the laboratory technician is the person who ultimately delivers the final teeth based on the information that we give to them. We work very closely hand in hand to be able to deliver exceptional results to patients. Together with that, we have some amazing technology with face scanners, with intraoral scanners, with milling machines, 3D printers. We're able to do this because our technicians understand this technology so that they can deliver the care much more efficiently for you.